Aloha guys, and welcome back. I'm Cameron and this is the Sowell Garage. So in today's episode we are working on the Jeep again, and as you can see here we have some boxes, right? So in the last episode we saw that the seat was pretty much trash. Both the seats are pretty much trash for this, but I made a huge mistake and I went ahead and threw away the driver's seat because it was just so rusted and so bad. Well, there were probably some usable parts that I could have gotten off of that, and that mainly being the brackets that bolt to the floor pan, then to the seat. Probably would have saved us some money, but I've decided that I'm going to fab up my own, mainly because I can't find any in any junkyards and I can't find any at Four Wheel Parts, or at least it's going to take them like 2 or 3 weeks to get it here out of Hawaii. So I think the game plan is just going to be kind of mocking up from the passenger seat, see what we can do with that, and then build our own off of that, guys. So let's go ahead and unbox this stuff and show you guys what we got. Let's go. Well, all in all, I don't think they're too bad. They look pretty nice. They feel pretty good. It's not reclinable or anything like that, but I mean, it is a Jeep, so, you know, minimalist lifestyle or whatever. We also did get some sliders for the seat, but now I got to basically take apart the passenger seat and mock up the brackets, see if the brackets fit properly. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to swap them around, see if they fit on the driver's side, and then we can kind of make some templates and go from there, guys. So let's get it. Alright guys, so we have our temporary like little cutout here to kind of give me a better idea of what we're doing, and everything's pretty much dead on. We have our bolt holes there. You can kind of see where I drew that right there for our bolt holes. Everything looks pretty good. I just pretty much followed and measured the dimensions on the passenger seat and then flipped it around. So you can see there, inner, front. On the inside of this it says outer, and then I think that's pretty much what we're gonna go with, guys. So now we gotta run to City Mill and grab us some materials. Let's go, guys. All right guys, so we are back and we grabbed some flat stock here, which should be perfect for the brackets that we are building. So I got 9 feet of it. I only really need 7, so that'll give us a little bit of extra wiggle room. But let's go ahead, get these things cut up, tack welded, and hopefully I can redeem myself when it comes to welding. So let's go, guys. Alright guys, well we have our brackets built, and I think I'm actually somewhat starting to get this when it comes to welding. It's not great by any means, but Definitely way better. Oh, I've missed a spot there. But I'm definitely getting better. Not stacking dimes or anything. But I think a lot of my problem was the simple fact that it was just super thin sheet metal. And it was just blowing through like super easy. But all in all, not bad. But we have our brackets made. We need to drill our holes and then get this seat in here, guys. So let's go. Alright guys, so we have our brackets made. Everything is bolting in nice and tight. Everything is good. I've already test fit these on the actual Jeep and they fit pretty much perfectly. So this is not the final iteration. I do want to put some bracing probably here and here on these because they are a little flimsy. I mean, they're still super solid, but yeah, I would like to do one probably on this side and then one on this side as well. Yeah guys, let's go ahead and get this in the Jeep. Alright guys, so all in all it fits relatively well. It is sitting a little high, as you can see. There is not much room between the seat and the wheels, so we're gonna have to drop these a little bit. And I think that's gonna be it, maybe 2 inches. We'll bring it down 2 inches and then go from there. Alright guys, so we have our brackets here and they're finally perfect. I bolted everything in, it's pretty much perfect. But now I want to do some bracing on these because they are a little bit weak. It is pretty thick steel, but I want to do add some bracing from here to here, from here to here, 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 kind of thing. And so yeah, let's get this welded in. Let's get it all burnt in. Let's go, guys. I still have so much to learn about welding, but I think that one's not too bad. I feel like I'm slowly but surely getting there. But yeah, our brackets are all burnt in, everything's good to go, so we can go ahead and throw these and the seat into the Jeep. So let's go, guys. Alright guys, well, we have our seat in. It's pretty comfortable, I will say. It's pretty nice for $113. The sliders work, they're a little stiff, but all in all, good. Like, this is nice, it's solid, it's not going anywhere. I'm shaking the whole freaking Jeep, but yeah, this is nice, man. I would highly recommend SmittyBilt. I mean, 113 bucks for a brand spanking new leather seat. I can't complain. But just to give you guys kind of a final image of what exactly we did, we've got our seat brackets. We got this one here, And all in all, it fits perfectly. It's nice and level. And now we actually have some room between the seat cushion and the steering wheel. Man, it just looks good. All right, guys, well, that is going to do it for today's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. But to wrap everything up, we basically built our own brackets. We saved ourselves, I think it was $126 for the brackets. The brackets were literally more than the seat itself. But we saved ourselves that money and we spent $26 in steel and made our own bracket. I am by no means a fabricator or a welder, but even I was able to do this. So I can imagine that you guys could kind of follow along and do the exact same thing. But once again, thank you guys for watching, and peace.